blank, so if we do it again, we do it again. Now, we're gonna ride.
Yo, let's ride. With no ponies, we are riding this beautiful 110cc Serpento Nova. Uh-oh, police. And today we're taking it to the Igloos to show you the parking area, and then we'll head to the entrance of Biesanz. So roll with me as we ride once again.
Other time.
Comment below on how to deal with the traffic and the people here. Please leave some tips on how to deal. Do you stop or do you keep it moving? We're approaching the entrance for the Igloos. This is a place where most people like to park. There's plenty of space to park here, as well as openings to the beach. So it is a very popular area for a lot of people to park. Coming into the park, it's going to be on your right-hand side, but as you can see, I came in with the left. So if you see on the left, you see these little buildings that look like igloos because they are the little places you can stay.
Biesanz. You won't see the beach. I'll show you where the access is, because there is a little walk down to get to the beach. Hope y'all can hear me.
Next stop is the entrance for Biesanz, which is a wonderful little cove. It's a waveless area, so it's very relaxing. People will rent kayaks, and they'll go kayaking, or they'll just lie down in the beach all day with chairs. head on out to Biesanz. And remember, this is old technology if you've tuned in and listened to the other ride-along videos, but hey, this is the best I can do, and the camera unfortunately sometimes doesn't let the view, it doesn't give it as the justice it deserves. That's one of my favorite lookout spots here in Quepos. Again, 4 years old camera, no excuse, should have 4K on it still. But we'll keep moving.
On the right is the parking for Biesanz, the one-way road. Here are what the cars are parking for in Biesanz, down these steps to the left. Right. We'll see everybody doing. The hotel. We came this far to as well. So as we come back around, we're going to pass the entrance to the park yet again on the left-hand side, and then we're going to head back into the town of Quepos. We're going to go by the Malecón, which is the seawall. Also, we'll pass by the marina, which is a beautiful area with all the boats, just to see a little area called Park Naomi. So, what more installation on this ride-along series. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please make sure you share, like, and subscribe if you can. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And puravida, Tuan is mine, all of that stuff. Big up. And be sure to make some comments down below. Have you traveled these roads? Do you have any tips, hints? And remember, this was 4 years ago, folks, so the landscape has changed some. But the G is still the same. The scoop game is still the same. Y'all don't want none. Alright guys, enjoy, talk to you soon, and see you on the next video.